Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. I'm Tristan, and today we're going to look at a very difficult TOEIC question and how to get the answer. Now, before we start, please like, share, subscribe, all those wonderful things. All right, let's get started. Let's look at the question here. Boom, there it is. All right, now, the first thing we need to do is read it. So we see blank, hard she works, she can't seem to meet the entrance requirements of the school. Poor lady. Okay. Now, here we're going to find out how to get the answer. Now, the best case scenario is that you know the answer right away, but maybe you're unsure. So at this point, we're going to start eliminating the wrong answers. And let's go to the first one we can definitely eliminate, which is no matter. Now, why can we eliminate no matter? Because no matter is a preposition and it needs to be followed by a noun form. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, let's look at this example. We have this woman here. Let's call her Desiree. Nice name, Desiree. She is trying to understand the accounting problem. She has spent 10 hours but has not had success. So she thinks, no matter my effort, I can't understand the problem. All right, this is fine because my effort is a noun. Remember, no matter is a preposition. It needs to be followed by a noun form. So this is correct. No matter what I do, I can't understand the question. This is correct because what I do is a noun clause. No problem. No matter I think a lot, I can't understand the question. Well, problem? We have subject verb after no matter. And after no matter, you can't just put subject verb. You need a noun form. So number 3 would be wrong. So if we look at the question here, it says, no matter hard she works. Well, there's no noun form here. It's this strange adjective subject verb situation, but there's no noun here. Now, if it said, no matter how hard she works, that would be fine because how hard she works is a noun clause, but we don't have how. So B is incorrect because after no matter, you need a noun form. No matter is a preposition. So get rid of no matter. Now the next one we can eliminate. Let's look at C. We see with regard to. Now, with regard to is also a preposition. With regard to means about, concerning, related to. Regarding, okay? With regard to is a preposition. So I could send you an email and I say, I'm sending this email with regard to the employment opportunity. Employment opportunity is a noun. Or if I said, I'm sending this email with regard to, I want a job at your company, this is incorrect. Because I'm going with regard to subject verb and a preposition cannot be followed by a subject verb. So it's the same problem with no matter. All right, so let's look at the final 2 choices. We can have extremely or however. Now, if we look at extremely, let's be honest, it sounds strange. And one thing you should always do after you pick an answer is read it and ask yourself, does it sound okay? So let's listen. Extremely hard she works. She can't seem to meet the entrance requirements of the school. Extremely hard she works. It's very strange because usually, of course, it sounds better to say she works extremely hard. Now, you could say extremely hard, comma, she works. That could be grammatically correct, but that's also a sentence. So you can't join it to the next sentence with a comma. But the main thing with extremely is it just sounds weird. And also it is punctuation. The punctuation is wrong because if you started a sentence with extremely hard, you put a comma after it. But there's a lot of things strange about that. So what's the answer? The answer is however. Now, you might be going, what does this mean? However? You might be confused. Now, however has many different forms. You probably know the most common form of however, which is, my team didn't win the championship, semicolon, however, comma, I didn't feel bad. Kind of like but. But there's another way we use however, and this way is to start an adverb clause. And here it is followed by an adjective, adverb, and then subject verb. Now, let me give an example. If I said, however hard she studies, she can't pass the exam. So this is actually saying no matter how hard she studies. But notice I have however hard. So that's using however, adjective, subject, verb, and then guaranteed result is your main clause. For another example, you think you're a quick runner. I think I'm a quick runner and I'm very arrogant, and I say, however quickly you run, I will catch you. So it doesn't matter how quickly you run. But notice the form, however, adverb, subject, verb, guaranteed result. And we could also use this with however much or however many. So you could say, however much money he has, I will still not date him. So you're not a gold digger, okay? Maybe I would because he's got a lot of money. So let's look at another example with however. We see this guy, his name is Carlos. And Carlos has been working out at the gym for 4 months, but nothing has changed. He has not gotten stronger. So I could say, no matter how much time he spends in the gym, he can't get stronger. Or, however much time he spends in the gym, he can't get stronger. Another example, however hard he works in the gym, he can't get stronger. So, notice how we use however here, and if we look at the TOEIC question, it is however hard she works, she can't seem to meet the entrance requirements of the school. Now this is the same as no matter how hard she works, but we just go however adverb. All right, so this is a tough question. We use elimination to get the answer. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below. You guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.